Hello team, hello traders, how are you today? In today's video analysis we'll talk about silver and I will show you why I believe that this commodity is still a buy, it is still bullish. Please read the risk disclaimer, it is very important. Also, if you want the signal for silver, the buying signal or the selling signal for silver, you can join our VIP Telegram group by accessing the link posted right below this video. Also guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, it is very important. You can like our videos, you can comment, you can share them with your friends, on the social media. Also follow us on Instagram guys, it is very important also because we have a lot of content, VIP content on Instagram as well. So let's take a look here. Right now we have here a strong sell-off in silver after the BOC. I've told you yesterday or in my analysis that the BOC could bring some volatility, could have a big impact today. So the Bank of Canada has maintained its monetary policy steady. The overnight rate remained at 0.25%, but as you can see here, we had a strong sell-off here in silver. And let's take a look on the DXY. It is very important because the DXY has rallied, and right now the DXY comes back towards this 350% Fibonacci line, towards this former dynamic support. I've told you yesterday in my live webinar, in my live session, that if the price of the DXY, if the US dollar index will remain below 90.14, then we may have a potential breakdown and further drop. So we had today a sell-off, but right now the DXY rallies and maybe it will come back to test and retest this 350% Fibonacci line. The dynamic support is now a dynamic resistance guys, and if it stays below it, maybe it will continue to drop here. Let's wait and see. But this rebound right here has forced the price of silver to drop right now in the short term. But still, let's take a look here on the price of silver. And as you already know, I've told you in my previous webinars or analyses that the price of silver has managed to jump and stabilize above the first warning line of major descending pitchfork. Okay, so this line was seen as a dynamic resistance. So right now it has jumped above it, it has retested it, it has tested and retested, it has consolidated above 23.6, above 27.567. But right now, unfortunately, I've told you that that rally on the US dollar index has forced the price of silver to drop. We have a negative correlation. Maybe it's not a perfect one, but we can use it in trading. So right now the price has decreased from today's high, from 28,003, and right now is located again below the weekly pivot point, 27.795 guys. So maybe the price of silver will come back to test and retest, to pressure again the 23.6, or this 50% upside 50% Fibonacci line of the descending pitchfork before maybe jumping higher. And technically you can see here I've drawn a descending pitchfork 1, 2 and 3 guys. The price has decreased, has tested and retested the medium line. It has registered only a false breakdown below it. It has failed to maybe close below it again or right on it, signaling strong buyers, signaling that the price of silver could increase. So personally, I still believe that as long as the price will stay above this one here, above this warning line, above maybe this support area here, above the medium line, it could maybe still develop an important growth, potential growth. And I really believe that something like maybe a new higher high, a potential upside breakout, a valid breakout above this upper medium line of the descending pitchfork could really signal maybe an important growth. And let's take a look again here on the economic calendar, because tomorrow, as you already know, the US is to release its inflation data, its core price index and its core CPI. Also, you have to be careful, guys, because we also have the ECB, the European Central Bank, will also release its main refinancing rate, the monetary policy statement. The ECB press conference could bring high volatility, strong movements, sharp movements in the markets, also on the price of silver, and also the CPI and the core CPI unemployment claims from the US will really bring maybe something on the price of silver. And maybe I believe that if the DXY will drop, the US dollar index will drop after these events, high impact events tomorrow, then I believe that the price of silver could increase, could jump higher, and maybe it will take out this dynamic resistance represented by the upper medium line. Okay, and personally I believe that the bullish scenario, so silver is still bullish as long as it stays here above 27,203 and also above this former low and above the weekly static support. So as long as it stays above these levels, above the medium line, above the S1, above 27.035, the bias is still bullish, even if the price will come back down to test and retest these support levels. But I really believe that the price of silver could develop an important growth. But if the price will maybe drop and register a new lower low to close and stabilize below this former low, to stabilize below the medium line, then it could drop and register a strong corrective phase. But this scenario will take shape only if the DXY will register an important leg higher, swing higher in the short term. Okay, so right now in the short term, maybe the price of silver could move sideways here to retest these levels before really registering a valid breakout above this upper medium line. So such a breakout, valid breakout above this dynamic resistance. Also maybe if the price will close above today's high, then the price of silver, it is expected maybe to increase, to jump higher, to register further growth in the upcoming period. Thank you, guys. That's it for today. So if you want the signal, the trading signal in silver, please join our VIP Telegram group. Learn to Trade Go Premium. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please, guys, you can comment, you can share our videos, you can like them. Also, please visit our website and follow us, guys, on Instagram, because we have more VIP content there as well. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.